Srinivas. Srinivas. You move this forward like this. Take it and keep it. That side near the window. Near the window you keep. Get in. Take your textbook, boys. All of you. Yes, get in. Sampath, sit down there. Ashwan, sit in the light. Why you are putting there? Keep it there only. Go sit there. Slowly. Go there. From there you can see. There is down. You can't see the board. Then get your eyes straight. You can't see the board. Go this side, Abhiram there. Last boy, stop talking. Take your textbook. Yesterday, what we completed, we will. Did you learn yesterday what we completed? We'll continue with the remaining. Define. Yes. Descriptive type. Descriptive type, define the following terms. Circulatory system, heart, phagocytosis, blood diapedesis, RH factor, all that is given in the lesson only. All of you mark and learn. Next is distinguish. Distinguish also, or differences or differentiate, distinguish, same question. Mark in the lesson and learn. Everything is given directly in the book. Next is give reasons. Explain. The left ventricle has thicker walls than the right ventricle. What is the reason? Yes, stand up and say the answer. One boy, what is the reason? Why does the left ventricle has thicker wall than the right ventricle? Because it has to pump blood to long distances. So right there, because it has to come this side. Because it has to pump blood. Because it has to pump blood to long distances. Raviram, you can open that window. Because it has to pump blood to long distances. Next one, the walls of the right ventricle are thicker than those of the right auricle. Same answer you have to write. Left ventricle or right ventricle, both have thicker walls. Because it has to pump blood to long distances. That is all parts of the body. Same you have to write. Vitamin K is essential for the process of blood clotting. Why vitamin K is required for the process of blood clotting? What is the use of vitamin K? See under blood clotting. Yes, stand up and say the answer. Why do you require vitamin K for blood clotting? Blood clotting is stopping the blood coming out from the body to an injury or wound. That is blood clotting or coagulation. Yes, for the production of thrombin. So vitamin K is essential for the process of blood clotting because it produces for the production of thrombin. So right there, for the production of thrombin, THROMBIN, prothrombin, prothrombin boys. Because for the production of PROTHROMBIN, because for the production of prothrombin for blood clotting. The question only you can underline, right? For there and underline blood clotting. For blood clotting or for the process of blood clotting. Now, which important, everyone finished writing the reasons? Next is, which important roles of the following? Role or roles? Role means function, use. Role means use of it, function of it. What does it help in the body? Tonsils. What is the use of tonsils? What is the use of tonsils? Tonsils is one of the lymph nodes, isn't it? So what is the use of it? To prevent infection. To prevent infection. Yes? To prevent infection. Yeah, that boy. Pawan, sit there. That side place is there. Sit down there. To prevent infection. Next is to prevent the spreading of infection also you can write. To prevent the spreading of infection to the whole body. Next is spleen. Produces lymphocytes, or what else you can write? Produces lymphocytes or destroys RBC or acts like a blood reservoir. You have underlined in the lesson now. Functions. So anyone you can write. Acts as a blood reservoir or produces lymphocytes or destroys red blood cells. Next one. Jagadish, not Jagadish. Jagan, are you following? Next one. Hepatic portal vein. What is the use of hepatic portal vein? What is the use of hepatic portal vein? It carries the food. The food absorbed by the stomach and intestine is first brought to the liver through the hepatic portal vein. Yes, see in the blue box, boys. See in the blue box, no need to mark all that. The food absorbed by the stomach and intestine. See page 105, blue box. The food absorbed by the stomach and intestine is first brought to the liver by hepatic portal vein, or hepatic portal vein brings the food absorbed by the stomach and intestine first to the liver. Basophils. What is the use of basophil? See the table there, table 8.1, page 95. See page 95, table 8.1. All the back boys, are you following? Who is that making that sound there? Huh? You okay, huh? You Sandeep. You Sandeep is not here. You Kiran is in 9th B. 10th is your Sandeep. Now next is basophil. See table 8.1, page 95. See there, basophils. Under basophils, what is the function? Yes, release chemicals for inflammation which dilate blood vessels. If any hurt you got, any rupture or any harm on the skin, you have immediately that part will become red in color. It becomes red, it becomes swollen, and the WBC will be acting there, killing the germs which enter through the wound. That is called inflammation. Next one, basophils over. SAN. What is SAN? Cyno. See in pacemaker. SAN is in pacemaker, page 102 you see. SAN. What is SAN? Sinoatrial node. What is the function of it? Yes, it creates impulse. This impulse is relayed to the ventricles with the help of the special conducting fibers. So it relays the impulses. That is the function of SAN, sinoatrial node, which is seen in the right auricle. It is present in the walls of the right auricle or atrium. It relays the impulses. Are you writing there, Srinivas? Are you marking? Did you mark? Now next one. B power, are you following? Next is, what is meant by the term double circulation? One boy stand up and say the answer. What is double circulation? Yes? Why you are throwing always? Yes? One boy stand up and say, what is double circulation? Pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. The two types of circulation we observe in a human body. See under points to remember 109. See page number 109. See the first point under bicuspid, tricuspid, semilunar valves. After that, there is a double circulation of blood in a heart, pulmonary, lung circulation and systemic body circulation. So this is double circulation. Then distinguish between the two types of circulation in a body. That is, distinguish what is pulmonary circulation, what is systemic circulation, you must write. Yes, pulmonary circulation already you have marked, I think, from the pulmonary artery to the lungs. That is pulmonary circulation. The blood is carried from the right ventricle through the pulmonary artery into the lungs. That is pulmonary circulation. It is also called short circulation because lungs are present just next to the heart only. Then the other one is systemic circulation. That is from the left ventricle through the aorta. From the left ventricle through the aorta, the blood is carried to all the parts of the body. That is systemic circulation. You have marked, I think. Next one. Write the main steps in coagulation of blood in their correct sequence. See, points are given there. Points are given in the lesson for circulation. See page 96, boys. See the points there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points. Tick those 4 points on page 96. That is clotting of blood or coagulation. Next one. What are the functions of blood plasma? What are the functions of blood plasma? See there under plasma. What is the function of blood plasma? Yes, it is the fluid part which contains 55 to 60% of blood. So RBC, WBC, blood platelets all are present in the plasma, the cellular elements. It contains the cellular elements of blood. 92. See page 92 under composition of blood. Plasma is the fluid part which constitutes 50 to 60% of blood. That is cellular elements, red and white blood cells, platelets, and 40 to 45% of blood. Next is state any 5 functions of blood. See the starting. See, same page 92 you see, same page, transport by blood, protection by blood, all that functions. Points are given. Suprajit, are you following? Mark all those points. Next one, structural questions you see. Name the parts 1, 2, 3 and 4 indicated by guidelines. What is 1? Refer to the lesson and answer the parts. Name those parts. Refer to the starting of the lesson. Starting of circulatory system. The diagram is given. What is part 1? No. If there is no nucleus, what is that cell called? That is shape. Amoeboid is shape. What is the name of the cell without nucleus in the blood? Red blood cells. So first one is red blood cells, no nucleus. Second one is it has a nucleus, definite nucleus. It does not have any definite shape. White blood cells. So blood contains RBC, red blood cells, white blood cells. Red blood cells has no nucleus, no endoplasmic reticulum, no mitochondria. White blood cells, they have a nucleus but not definite shape, no definite shape, amoeboid shape. Then third one, what is third one? Platelets, blood platelets. Third one is blood platelets. And fourth one, what is the fourth one? Plasma, yes. Fourth one is plasma. Now, mention two structural differences between the parts labeled 1 and 2. What is the part 1? RBC. What is part 2? What is the difference between 2? RBC has no nucleus, WBC has nucleus. RBC has a definite shape, WBC does not have a definite shape. It is amoeboid in shape. This is biconcave in shape, biconcave disc-like structure, hollow in the center and towards the periphery it is disc shaped. You have marked the shape, isn't it? Next one, what is the main function of the parts labeled 1, 2 and 3? What is the main function of 1 RBC? It carries oxygen, respiratory carrier, carries oxygen. Second one, WBC, what is the function? It protects the body, protection or defense system, that is phagocytosis, diapediosis and phagocytosis. It kills the germs. Third one, what is the third one? Blood platelets, helps in clotting of blood or helps in coagulation. Why that boy is talking there? Are you writing? Helps in coagulation. Next one, what is the lifespan of the part labeled 1? RBC, 120 days. 120 days. Lifespan of RBC is 120 days. After that it is sent to the liver and there it is killed there. The liver destroys the RBC and the hemoglobin is taken and from there only the bile juice is prepared by the liver. Bile juice is prepared from that hemoglobin. That is the bilirubin and biliverdin which you learnt in 9th standard, which helps in digestion of fats. And the remaining which is not useful, that changes into urea. The liver, it changes into urea, poisonous substance, where it is sent to the kidneys. And from the kidneys it is excreted out in the form of urine. Next is, name a soluble protein found in fore which helps in the clotting of blood. Fibrinogen. When fibrinogen is a protein found in the plasma, when that fibrinogen is removed, the liquid part is the serum. So from the plasma, when fibrinogen is removed, when fibrinogen is removed, the liquid part left is serum. So fibrinogen. Yes, the soluble protein found is fibrinogen. Understand the question and write. Understanding is very important. Every question in the exam will be asked testing your understanding, whether you are understanding and learning, understanding and writing. So the concept will be the same, but the way of questioning will be different. Same answer only, but questioning will be different. So if you understand only, you can write. So try to understand and learn. Are you following there, last boy? Next diagrammatic question you see there. Which part state the number represents the heart? 3. Give reason in support of your answer. What is the reason? What is your answer? Give reason in support of your answer. Because you can see the blood vessels connected to the heart, arteries and veins. Blood vessels means arteries, veins and capillaries only. So you can see the blood vessels connected to the heart, or the blood vessels entering the heart and leaving the heart. Next one. Which numbers represent the following respectively? Aorta. 5 is aorta. Renal portal vein. Hepatic portal vein. 7. From the intestine to the liver. From the intestine to the liver is hepatic portal vein. 7. Write the number 7. Pulmonary artery. 1. From the left side to the lungs. Then superior vena cava. Superior is anterior part. Superior is anterior part. Inferior is posterior part. So superior is 9. Renal vein. Renal vein is 6. Yes. Stomach 10. Now next is, see the next one, that is the diagram A, B and C. Identify the blood vessels A, B, C. What is A? Artery. Yes, write there down, artery. A. What is B? Vein. B is vein. And what is C? Capillary. C is capillary. Last boys, are you writing there? Are you answering the questions? Everyone is having the book? Anyone came without book? Now next is, name the parts labeled 1 to 4. What is part 1? See in the lesson. Refer to the lesson. In the lesson the diagram is given. See all the 3. See the lesson and name the parts, all of you. What is A1? External layer. External layer. One is external layer. Somebody is saying, Miss, what is the problem? Then what is 2? Lumen. 2 is lumen. Always remember, artery has large lumen, broad lumen, narrow lumen, whereas vein have broad, wider lumen. Next is third one, middle layer. Third one is middle layer. Third one, middle layer. And what is the fourth one? Endothelium. Endothelium. Fourth one is endothelium. So what is the first one, boys? First one? Artery. Second one? Vein. Who's that boy sleeping there? Sit straight. You don't have mask? Then why you removed? Smelling. Mask is smelling. You must wash it every day. You must not wash it yourself. Tie the hanky. You tie the hanky. Hold it and tie it. Then next is, now see what is capillary. Capillary second part. What is that? Capillary 2. Name that. That is lumen. Yes. Lumen. Name the parts labeled 1 to 4. Now mention two structural differences between A and B. You have marked that. Yes, you have marked that table now. Table you have marked. Table 8.3. Artery and vein. Yes, narrow lumen, wider lumen. Thick muscular walls, thin muscular walls. Like that, differences is given in table 8.3. You can mark the learn from there. Two differences you can mark in table 8.3 about artery and vein. Name the kinds of blood that flow through A and through B respectively. A is artery, no? So in artery, what type of blood? Oxygenated blood. A is oxygenated blood and B is veins. Veins is deoxygenated blood. Veins is deoxygenated blood. Now, in which one of the vessels referred to in A above does the exchange of gases actually take place? Where does exchange of gases actually takes place? Does it take place in artery, in vein or capillary? Capillaries, blood capillaries. So, exchange of gases takes place in blood capillaries or capillaries. Because every part of our body is ending with the capillaries. Then, next diagram, boys. See the next diagrammatic question. Why you are talking that boy? Next diagrammatic question, you see the structure of the heart. Name the face. Name the face. See the diagram is given in the book only. See page 101. See page number 101. See the arrow marks. See the arrow marks. What is it? Ventricular systole. See the arrow marks. Ventricular systole. Ventricular systole. Now, next question. Which part of the heart is contracting in this phase? Ventricular systole means ventricles are contracting. Ventricles are contracting. Here the question only you can write the answer. Ventricles are contracting. Remaining mark in the question. Ventricles are contracting in this phase. You have to give a support, a reason to support the answer. What is the reason? Why do you say ventricles are contracting? How do you say ventricles are contracting? Because the tricuspid and bicuspid valves are closed here. So when tricuspid and bicuspid valves are closed means ventricles will contract. When the pulmonary, semilunar and aorta, semilunar valves are closing means then the auricles will contract. So reason is you write because tricuspid and bicuspid valves are closed. That is the reason. Because tricuspid and that boy is writing there. Because tricuspid and bicuspid valves are closed. Can you hear me, last boys? Because tricuspid and bicuspid valves are closed. Now, next one. Name the parts numbered 1 to 6. See the diagram in the textbook. Yes, see the diagram and in the parts it's given there on page 101, ventricular systole. What is the first one? Pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery means to the lungs. It goes to the lungs, taking the deoxygenated blood from the left side, left ventricle. Then what is to aorta? Aorta takes the blood to all the parts of the body. So pulmonary artery has deoxygenated blood. Aorta has oxygenated blood. Then next one, 3. What is part 3? Pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein, from the lungs it brings oxygenated blood to the left side, left atrium. 4. Atria relaxing. What is 4 there? Atria relaxing or atrium relaxing. Then next one, 5. Bicuspid valve. 5 is bicuspid valve. In the left ventricle between the left auricle and ventricle is bicuspid valve. What is 6? Tricuspid valve. They are the flaps there. Tricuspid valve. Or here they gave us cordia tendinae. Cordia tendinae line. 5 and 6 both are cordia tendinae. Flaps. Okay, tricuspid, bicuspid also you can name. Next one, what type of blood flows through the parts marked 1 and 2 respectively? I already told you, pulmonary artery deoxygenated blood. Pulmonary artery deoxygenated blood. 1 is pulmonary artery, so deoxygenated blood. 2 is aorta, oxygenated blood. 2 is aorta, oxygenated blood. Next one. How many valves are closed in this process? 2. How many valves are closed? 2 valves. That is bicuspid and tricuspid valves are closed. Always remember, when bicuspid and tricuspid valves are closed, you get the lump sound. Lump sound. When the pulmonary and aortic semilunar valves are closed, then you get the duck sound. Duck sound and lump sound. So today what we finished, learn boys. So what is the time? Tomorrow 1 period. 1.5. No.
Tomorrow what are the subjects, children? Physics, geography. Geography 1 period is there. If you want you can come, otherwise.
No, I wrote down the timetable. Yeah, tomorrow Thursday, no?
Tomorrow Thursday.
First period I got. Second period I am free.
So first period which class?
8th week. 8th day.
8th year. You will take it from here.
8th, yeah, from here.
Tomorrow Friday. Tomorrow Thursday. Geography, physics and history civics.
Geography is second hour they got.
Second hour.
So second hour I got. Because third hour I got 9. Tomorrow second hour. First hour I got 8.
first hour itself will come.
Welcome today. Master, what they have?
My class.
Physics.
My class.
Tomorrow last day. And last day.
Tomorrow. 37 was out of 51, 51 out of 51, only 37 are coming for the physical class. And all these children should attend for the online classes also.
Some boys
Then
not
only,
coming here,
then
not
only
attending
tomorrow only
online
what
class.
happened? Chemistry teacher came, huh? She didn't see that, that's why I just came. I'll take it in the next hour. Third hour, the class I will take. Rushi, Donald, Praveen, Tanuj, Kiran, Rohit, Vamsi, Isha, Nikhil, Keshwan, Subramaniam, Abdullah, Fayaz, Kashan, Mahir, Pradvi, Shoaib, Yashwan, Rakesh, Sohan, Neraji, Sambar, Trivikram, Harshavardhan, Subham, Subrajit, Rahmadullah, Sahil, Sovan, Sanjeev, no reply from response from this Sovan and Sovan. Sovan Maiti, you will be seeing Sovan Maiti, no? Subrajit Sahu? Huh? Here only, no? Here somewhere, no? Sovan Maiti. I didn't see you then I what do you decide about
Today I'm taking class my brother used
what decision are taken about the
I called for the then he told me to remove. No, this is working.
Mohit, Raviram, Surya Teja, you are not attending the online classes, teacher sir. Just now she called me and said that Surya Teja is not attending the class. So only half, 50% you are attending here, not attending in the online classes. There was a B. Pavan Kumar, B. Pavan, B. Pavan. B. You only. Jagan, Ragesh, Ulkash, Swami came, huh? Alternate days are you coming, now did not come in the last days. 14, 15, 16, 17 and 20 you did not come. Sandeep, Gomendra, Yosandeep, Shivakumar, Sai Chaitanya. Yesterday you didn't come. Ravi Teja, Rohit, Vignesh, Sai Tarun. Vignesh came, huh? Sai Tarun. Take attendance children, PV Sadiq. About you also teacher said, not attending the online classes, attending from today onwards. Yogeshwar, VH1, what happened today? R. Pavan, Manohar, Punashekar, T.S. Vamsi, Ganesha, Srinivas, Sachin. All of you should attend the online class also, don't forget about it.
Teacher, some boy is asking me tomorrow school is there or not.
Tomorrow there is, day after tomorrow onwards only we will have the holidays. But in the holidays also you cannot go out and all now. So we will give you some work. Some assignment work. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. No online classes. No online classes, no physical classes in these days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Only 5 days.
Tuesday teacher wanted to take the class, I said don't want. So teacher won't take on Saturday. Monday, Wednesday, not Saturday, Tuesday.